Parents play a vital role in the education of children. Building on past learnings, in Phase 2 of the C for Chinese at JC project, parents will be encouraged children learn Chinese at home through parent education programs with various themes. In this video, we will introduce each of the lesson resource kits for Parent Academy, which would help educators, social workers, and parents utilize the resources more easily and efficiently. The implementation of the project is based on the home, school, community model. Each session comes with a complete instructional design, computer slideshow, and related learning resources. The course content will also connect to the ethnic backgrounds and cultural resources of non-Chinese speaking families. To cater to the needs of parents who speak different languages, come from different cultural backgrounds, and have different capabilities, the courses are divided into 3 major categories: digital literacy, basic course, and advanced course, with gradually increasing difficulties. This increases the self-efficacy and parent involvement in children's learning process and improves parents' parenting skills in assisting children learning. For non-Chinese speaking parents who are unfamiliar with digital learning tools, the Parent Academy provides IT courses to introduce the scheme's multimedia resources. The basic course includes digital learning tools and introduction to the project's online resources, as well as the ways to approach problems regarding school life, routine, and adaptation. Each session includes a different parent education topic. The advanced course includes ways to support children's learning at home, parent-child reading skills, the Hong Kong education system, and an introduction to the P1 application process. To facilitate the transition from kindergarten to primary school, the advanced course will also include support and resources for P1 transition, language and cognitive development, basic Chinese knowledge, and information regarding special educational needs and community resources. The course will also share and introduce various language apps and digital learning tools so parents can help children learn Chinese at home more easily. The project also includes a parent-led home component. Through group or individual online sessions, home tutoring, and community exploration, the scheme provides parents with various structured, themed courses. Parents can continue to apply the skills they learned from the course to support their children's learning after the course ends. The project team designs teaching materials and aids corresponding to the course topics. Non-Chinese speaking parents are encouraged to make use of materials at home and the teaching materials provided. During the activities, parents and children can create a good learning and reading environment with the materials and storybooks provided by the project. The project also encourages schools to hold diverse social inclusion activities to help non-Chinese speaking families assimilate into the community. Local and non-Chinese speaking families can experience and appreciate each other's cultures through the activities. The project team also designed various digital resources to help schools, teachers, and parents utilize the course resources of the Parent Academy more efficiently and conveniently. The digital resources are mainly distributed through these 2 platforms. The project team will design and create teaching videos with various topics and upload them to our official YouTube channel so participants can watch them for free. Topics of the videos include information and technology, parent-child reading, parenting skills, pre-writing training, and Chinese knowledge. The videos will support Cantonese, English, Urdu, Hindi, and Nepali. The project includes an online resources corner for teachers, social workers, and parents. Registered users can make use of learning resources designed for different phases of the scheme, which include differentiated storybooks, storybook videos, storybook learning kits, and P1 transition guides. This concludes the introduction to the scheme's Parent Academy courses and their supporting resources. We hope that this helps educators, social workers, and parents utilize the resources more easily and efficiently.